In EBSCO, you will need a username and password. For Overdrive, you will be given a personal username and password that will stay current as long as you are a student, but we also offer this resource to alumni as well. And so you can request access to Overdrive by sending an email to oml@hcu.edu, and you will be given a personal username. You will be given a temporary password that you can change to a password of your choosing once you log in the first time, and then you'll have instant access to our ebook collection. If you need access to the full-text journal articles through EBSCO, you will be given an institutional username and an institutional password. We, by contract, need to change that password once a year, and so we change it in the late summer just before the fall semester begins. And typically what I do is I send an email out to everyone letting them know how to access EBSCO and what the new password is. But if you, during the middle of the academic year, you need access, you can send an email again to the OML email address and ask for the EBSCO username and password. And if you lose access to it late in the summer, early fall, be looking for that email that gives you the new password. And so feel free to email us with any questions that you might have. Any help you need accessing digital resources through the offerings that we provide to you as a student.